YouTube just made a huge move for creators. Its multi-language audio feature is now rolling out to all creators after 2 years in pilot. Here's how it works. Creators can add dubbed audio tracks in different languages, using either third-party services or YouTube's new AI-powered auto-dubbing tool. That tool leverages Google's Gemini tech to replicate your tone and emotions. So who can use it right now? YouTube says the rollout starts in the US first, then expands globally over the coming weeks. Millions of creators will soon see the option in their upload settings. Some big names like MrBeast, Mark Rober, and Jamie Oliver already had early access during the testing phase. And here's the timeline. YouTube officially announced the feature on September 10th, 2025, and it will reach all creators worldwide in the coming weeks. That means it's officially live, but access might not show up for you immediately. It's a gradual rollout. It matters because those who already use this feature saw their reach increase dramatically. On average, more than 25% of watch time for dubbed videos came from non-primary languages. Bottom line, this feature means creators everywhere can now speak everywhere. No more language barriers. If you're a YouTuber, this is your chance to grow in new markets. If you like this update, hit like and subscribe for more creator tools and platform news.